Hello guys, this is Povilos Korop and Laravel Daily Video channel again. Today I want to share a quick story. I'm joyful and I'm proud of one of our new clients who is really smart, and we are experimenting on a project management technique I want to share. And it's quite technical. The challenge and the problem is always how to give the task basically to developers, to us, to the development team. Clients do that in various ways. It can be Google Docs, it can be mockups, it can be 20 pages of specification, well, it depends on the project. But what this client did, he is technical, he is developer himself, and we're trying to do a thing I would call client test-driven development, like TDD, but with clients involved. Not only client is involved, he's actually writing the tests. So what we've done for a new task, he has written the tests, committed it to GitHub, and then my team needs to implement basically. Tests are failing for now because there's no code written. That's pure TDD, except for tests are written by a client, if they are technical enough. So I cannot share the code because of NDA reasons, but I can read some part of it. It's a dusk test. Wow, that's raining. I can show you actually in my office. Wow, okay, I hope that sound won't disturb you. That's a massive rain outside. Yeah, so yeah, the test goes like this. It's a browser test. It's a Laravel dusk test, and there are like 8 or 9 cases, 9 methods, and everyone goes like, the task is about ordering some data, and there are several tests with factories. So with factory, we create this record, create that record, create 5 records to order, and then we test, like the assertion is, browser, login as superadmin, visit this URL, click link this, and assert see this text, and assert see this text with number 1, and this text with number 5, meaning the order is correct. So if the client has written that test, it's for developer, it's totally clear what needs to be done. So test cases are probably the clearest way to explain the task, because then the client client and developer are clear on edge cases on what needs to happen when. Because otherwise, if the task is described as like put the task in correct order, put the items in correct order, there might be some edge cases that you didn't really think about, or client even didn't think about. Like what if there are no records, how the order should look, or what if there's pagination or something like that, or Ajax calls, yeah, a lot of things. So what I'm trying to say here is a new experiment for us, but it looks pretty damn good. If the client is technical enough to write tests for you, that's a perfect way, because then you don't need specification, you don't need documentation. It's all written in tests and in cases for tests, provided they're written correctly, of course. Yeah, so that's it. That's what I wanted to share. Maybe you should try it in your team. Actually, even within the team, if your project manager, for example, is tech savvy enough to write tests, let him write tests, and then that would be your task to implement those tests, to make those tests green first, and of course implement the whole code. What do you think about this technique? Have you done it before? Maybe share your thoughts, and see you in the next videos of Laravel Daily Video channel.